Hey everyone, this is my website that I created this semester. Um, like many people in our class, I took this class in conjunction with my professional imaging class, which is COMM497R, and the purpose of this website is to show off my photography and to start a photography business. So this is my homepage. I just have a logo up here and then custom menu with all of our required pages. And then a featured slider featuring my most recent blog posts. So when people come to my page, they can see, you can flip through the most recent blog posts pretty easily. And then we just have the custom footer down here that we worked on the other day. And then just going through some of these pages, some of them don't have anything in it yet, but all of the posts that I make on my website will show up on this blog page where they're all just extended so people can just scroll through and read them from most recent blog posts to the oldest one. And then over here on the side I have this sidebar with subscription space, and then a little bit about me, and then my Instagram slider where people can see the most recent Instagram posts. And then just going to a couple of these pages, I don't have very many blog posts yet, but I have a couple in some of them, and all of them are set up the same. They're all set up in a grid format, so each of my blog posts will be a little square with a featured image from the blog post. And like I said, I don't have very many, but I have a couple in fine art and a couple in commercial, and then a few in creative as well. I think one thing that I've struggled with is things going wrong for some reason on one page but working out for another. And one thing that I don't understand is why this page, like all the pictures are big, but I'm sure I'll figure it out eventually. And then we just have the contact page, which looks like most of yours. I have a picture, social media follow buttons, and then easy way for people to contact me, and then the sidebar again with the Instagram slider. And then of course my store, my shopping cart, and the search bar. And yeah, thanks for watching. There's my website.